Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Leigh here. Thanks for joining me again, and it's another episode of Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge. So we're up to week 26, halfway through the year, and the prompts for this week are rubber stamping in two colours. So I've got black and I've got fired brick, a hexagon, so I've got a piece of book page here that's got honeycomb on it, so that's a hexagon pattern. I'll probably use a bit of that, and it's nice colours that will match in with that rubber stamping. So a face, got a Frida Kahlo that I cut out. I was going to use for something else, but she didn't get into the production, so to speak. A set of numbers, just got a scrap of paper there with some numbers on it. Text in a different alphabet. Well, does that mean text in a different language? That's the way I've taken it. So I've got a page out of a translation dictionary from English to Italian. So that's what I'm doing for this week. The bonus is a tall building, not going to use that. And I've already done an outline of my page with Stabilo pencil, in case you're wondering what that is. I always forget to do it, and then I add it in later. Sometimes I show it right at the end, other times you don't get to see it at all. So I'm just going to have a bit of fun, stick some things down, but I'll do a little bit of text stamping to start with. So I'm going to use black soot. So how's everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Hard to believe how far through the year we've gotten already. It's just incredible. I just want this to be really faint. Okay, so that's all I want to do of that. Excuse me. Now with this hexagonal thing here, I'm just going to work out where I'm going to put stuff. I'm going to have to she was going to be some sort of paper doll, but yeah, it didn't work out. So how she ended up looking the way she does. And I'm just going to tear a bit of that. Okay, use this side. Pop that there like that, put those numbers there, and I've got this flower stamp. This is going to come together really quickly because I want it to. Some weeks it's just, I don't know, it's almost a no-brainer when I do one of these, and then other weeks I just struggle. So I'm really not sure why. And like last week, week 25, it took me hours to find the my bits of paper to fulfill the prompts. Okay, I like the way they look, but I think I need to get rid of a bit of this. I'm going to tear it across the top. I'm not sure why those numbers are on there, so it must have been a reference to something in the book. Okay. So that. I kind of like her next to the flowers, and I think I want another flower up there. So I'm going to put another red, oops, that won't work. Another red flower up there. Right there. So that'll go there. That'll go there. The numbers will go maybe. Yeah, I might do that. Do that instead. And then the numbers I'll put over here somewhere. Don't have to have all of that. It's a funny shape. It must have been going to be a pocket, I think, by the look of it. Okay. Going to take a bit more off this. Oh, I just had an idea. I'm going to see if I can find this. I've got this really big word written in a big, I don't know, some other language in really big letters. Let's see if I can find that. Didn't find the piece I was looking for. I found the same word, but this other one was much bigger. But I'm happy to put this in, and I like it. It's got more character than that white page. So something like that. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So time to start sticking down. Now that's been backed onto a piece of cardstock, so it's a bit heavy. See how it goes. Might have to use some strong glue on it. So that can go there like that. I want to take the neck off because it's, even though it's going to be covered, it's really bugging me. Even if I get cut around her necklace. Because her shoulders were up here somewhere, but they got chopped off when I was doing whatever it was I was trying to do with it. Okay, now I'm going to take that, a bit more of that. Oh, that's coming out fast. What's going on there? Like that, and I think I'm just going to stick those numbers right there. This is quite heavy cardstock as well, so using that art glitter glue on this as well. And I've got that. Which I'm going to put off to the side. I feel like it's missing something from over there now. Probably just needs a couple more flowers. So I'm going to do some black ones while I think about this, what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm going to ink it or whatever. And there's still some red ink on that, so it'll probably, I don't know, thought it might have been a bit wishy-washy. It's a nice stamp, that one, I like it. Okay, so just pop that to the side, and I'm going to rip that off the edge there, and then I will ink it. I wasn't sure whether I was going to or not, so I'm thinking got numbers in here too, haven't I? I don't think I should have stuck that there. I think I'm going to put that there, And then I still want that neck covered over. I do not like it. Sorry, Frida. Okay, so I'm just going to stick this little bit of music over the bottom of her neck. Just on a nice jaunty little angle like that. I'm going to put that there because I think it looks better. Get rid of that pointy little corner. Okay, so thanks to everybody who tunes in to watch my videos, leaves comments and hits the like button. That's really great. Really appreciate you all. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you see value in my content, then don't be scared to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications and you'll always know when I've put up a new video. Got Junk Journal July starting in about a week's time. I'm really excited about that. Just going to put a little bit of this red around that, here and there. Not everywhere. That'll do. And I'm just going to stick that down. Would have been nice if that had been written in Spanish. Okay, so I would like to what? Going to put another flower down here, and how about a little bit of red text, just a touch. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to activate the Stabilo pencil. I love doing this. It's magic. Now I'm just wondering whether I need to put any splatters on this. I don't think so, but I do feel like I want to go around the edge of that. Don't know where my pencil's gone to. What have I got here? I've got a Lumicolor pencil. It's similar to Stabilo, but it's not water activated. Water reactive, that's the word I was trying to think of. You can smear it, but you can't make it move with water. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to worry about any splatters. Okay, so we've got stamping in 2 colours. We've got hexagons in amongst the beehive. We've got a face. We've got numbers. We've got text in a different alphabet. And I didn't use the bonus. All done. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you like. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video very soon. So, in the meantime, cheers from Australia. Hooroo!